Hey everyone, love taking stunning photos and videos with your iPhone but want to elevate your game? You're in the right place. Today we're diving deep into the best iPhone camera accessories to take your mobile filmmaking and photography pro. From lighting to lenses and stabilization, get ready to unlock the true potential of your iPhone. Hit the subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and comment about which one is best for you. Okay, let's get started. Number 1. SmallRig Mobile Video Kit for iPhone 15 Pro. SmallRig's mobile video kit revolutionizes iPhone videography, assembling a robust shooting setup. The focal point is the secure main cage, accommodating your phone with bayonet mounting points for third-party lenses like Moment's Anamorphic lens. Enhancing versatility, the kit includes a filter mount and variable neutral density filter, perfect for achieving cinematic shutter speeds. The cage offers mounting points for accessories such as tripod plates and cold shoe slots for microphones or video lights. Ergonomic side handles ensure stability, providing smooth footage, and quick-release clamps simplify setup dismantling. While each component is available individually, the complete kit offers a seamless solution for capturing professional-grade footage effortlessly with your iPhone. SmallRig elevates your videography experience with a thoughtful, adaptable system. Number 2. Moment Anamorphic Lens. Unlock the cinematic potential of your iPhone with Moment's mobile anamorphic lens, a tool typically reserved for professional cinematographers. This lens introduces a wider aspect ratio, reminiscent of wide-angle lenses and signature blue line flares, imparting a filmic quality to your footage. Effortlessly clip it on, transforming your phone's video capabilities into shorter, wide shots that redefine visual aesthetics. The lens elevates the look of your phone footage, a must-have for aspiring filmmakers seeking to enhance their mobile videography. For optimal results, pair it with apps like Filmic Pro to unsqueeze the footage, preventing distortion on most cameras. Utilizing a bayonet mount, the lens attaches to compatible cases, including Moments or third-party options like the SmallRig cage, ensuring a seamless integration into your filmmaking arsenal. Elevate your storytelling with Moments mobile anamorphic lens, where professional quality meets pocket-sized convenience. Number 3. Aputure MC LED Video Light. Combat the limitations of iPhone cameras with this USB-C rechargeable video light, a compact powerhouse of LED brilliance that fits snugly in your palm. Delivering an impressive burst of illumination, it becomes an invaluable asset in situations where proper lighting is scarce. Ideal for subjects ranging from portraits to product photography or macro shots, this versatile light source caters to various creative needs, including enhancing night vlogging. With adjustable power output and color temperature, fine-tune the lighting to suit your scene perfectly. Adding an artistic touch to your production, the light features creative effects, including lifelike simulations of fireworks, lightning, a flickering fireplace, or the dynamic red and blue flashes of police car lights. Elevate your iPhone videography with this portable lighting solution, ensuring every shot is bathed in the perfect glow. Number 4. DJI Om 5 Gimbal. While the iPhone 14 boasts stellar built-in image stabilization, elevate your videography game with DJI's Om 5 dedicated gimbal for an even smoother cinematic experience. It effortlessly neutralizes almost all movements, ensuring your footage remains steady even during dynamic pursuits, perfect for capturing seamless tracking shots while filming action sequences. Adding versatility to your creative toolkit, the Om 5 features a built-in extendable selfie stick. Ideal for YouTube vloggers, it opens up a realm of possibilities for unique angles. Elevate it for a high perspective, or flip it over for captivating low-angle shots, weaving through grasses or getting up close to the ground. DJI's Om 5 transforms your iPhone videography, delivering stability and creative freedom for every shot. Number 5. Rode VideoMicro Microphone. Elevate your vlogs and iPhone-based short films with pristine audio using Rode's VideoMicro shotgun mic. While the iPhone captures decent audio, this dedicated microphone plugging into the Lightning port via an adapter propels your sound quality to the next level. Compatible with the standard iPhone camera app and third-party video apps, it stands out among the best iPhone camera accessories. Ideal for vlogging, the mic, perched atop your phone, delivers crystal-clear audio. The included windshield excels at minimizing wind noise during on-location shoots, For added versatility, employ a 3.5 mm extension cable and position the mic at the end of a boom pole for capturing dialogue in filmed conversations. Rode's VideoMicro ensures your iPhone recordings are not only visually captivating, but also acoustically superior. Now you might be wondering, which product is the ultimate winner? The truth is, it depends on your needs. For epic cinematic footage, the DJI Osmo 5 gimbal reigns supreme. But if you crave that Hollywood widescreen look, the Moment anamorphic lens is a must-have.